Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia K5 EX. Now, I'm filming this January 19th of 2021. This video probably gonna go live in a couple months. I'm super backlogged. But by this time, I thought we would have the GT, but that's been delayed a couple months to the point where we don't know when we're gonna get one. That's kind of scary to think, but I'm here to say that the base K5, well, not the base, this is a fully loaded K5 just below the GT. It's an excellent car. I don't find myself begging for more power. Would I like some? Absolutely. But it's still a really, really nice car to drive, very, very fun, and loaded for features for the price point. This car, as it sits, $29,110. And this is not the EX Premium, this is just the EX. Sapphire blue over black. The EX Premium runs about $33,000 sticker, give or take a grand or two. Tons of trunk space, you can pull down the rear seats here. Absolutely fantastic interior. I do love the looks of this K5. Powered by a 1.6 liter turbo, mated to an 8-speed torque converter automatic. The GT is going to have a 2.5 liter turbo with 311 pound-feet of torque. Oh, where are you? There you are. Not bad at all. I think the turbo sits back. Yeah, there it is. There's your turbo. Man, I love the looks of this car. Looks absolutely phenomenal. EX, you have very, very nice leather. Feels great to the touch. And open pore wood. All right. Nice panoramic sunroof. Beautiful steering wheel. Nice, easy to use. All right. Put it in drive. Put it in sport. Here's your wireless charging. No, I'll leave that for the customer. Let's go for a drive. K5, optimal replacement for the North American market. However, it's been known for years as the K5 worldwide, as the Forte is the K3. So I wonder if when the Forte gets a major redesign, they're going to call it the K3. Wouldn't be surprised. I just saw my boss, so I'm gonna run him down. No, I'm not going to run over my boss. That would be a bad thing to do. Say hi, Sean. Ooh, icy. Can you tell I'm a child? And I'm like, oh, my boss is here. Woohoo! I'm gonna run him down with a brand new Kia. As you can tell, it's a perfect amount of power for what it is. It's not designed to be the fastest car in the world. It's not supposed to be a Charger Hellcat or anything like that. It's supposed to be fun to drive around town. Nice, peppy, fun to drive vehicle while also being good on fuel economy. If you want more power, swing for the GT. And that will be coming maybe in a couple months. Because I think our allocations go 60 days out and we have not received any of them yet. So, kind of worrying because I really want to drive it. Because I absolutely loved the previous generation Optima SX. That thing was a beast. So with all the improvements they made for the K5, it's just gonna be even better. Visibility, as you can tell, this is why I chose this test track. It kind of really shows off every characteristics of the car. You have power, throttle response, stop and go traffic, visibility, turning circle, everything is tested here. Well, because this video is about the K5, I'll swing into our K5 selection. Couple GT lines. Some nice stuff there. We also have some Stingers. All the new Sorrentos, Sportages, our used cars. Some more Sportages. A Rogue Nissan. Quite literally. No problems up the hill. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.